welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna jump straight into it. First, we're gonna start out with 5 sections, 2 in the front, 3 in the back. For the 2 sections in the front, I'm going to be sectioning them off behind my ear, and then for the 3 in the back, I'm just going to make those even. And please ignore my kitchen in the back. But first we're going to start out with the middle section, and I'm just brushing it all the way up until I get to a 90-degree angle. And yes, I am starting on dry hair, and I come in all the way up till I see the shortest piece. If you don't see a short piece, you can make one yourself. That's going to be the start of your guide. Once the guide is made, I'm going to cut the longest piece to the shortest piece, also known as the guide, and this is going to start creating the layers. And once I cut all the hair off, I go back in just to clean up the cut a little bit more by point cutting. Once I'm done with that, I'm just going to drop the section and go to another section and do the same thing. So this is me grabbing the second section, pulling it all the way up to the top till I see a guide, and then I'm going to cut from the longest piece to the guide, and then I'm going to point cut afterwards. And this is me showing y'all the guide, also known as the shortest piece. Once that's complete, I put that away and then go to the next section to do the other back section off camera as well. But for the top, what I'm going to do is grab a piece in the middle from the back section that we did. This is going to be our guide for the 2 front sections, and I hope I'm not confusing y'all. So what you're going to do is grab the shortest piece and then grab the first section in the front and put them together and comb them all the way up to a 90-degree angle like we did with the previous sections. And once you comb it all the way up, pull the hair down towards the front of your face and try to spot out the guide, also known as the shortest section. And I'm still doing the same thing, y'all. I'm just point cutting till I get it even all across. Once that's done, I'm going to put that away, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other section. But I forgot I did it off camera, y'all, sorry. But once I'm done cutting all the sections, I'm just going to comb the hair all the way down, and then now what we're going to do is split the head and the hair in 2. And I can't remember if I showed y'all my shears in the beginning, but these are the shears that, I didn't use these, but these are the shears that I use. They're from Chi, and I got these from cosmetology school, y'all. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to split the hair in 3 sections, and all I'm doing is cleaning up any extra of the hair that's out of place. So I'm going back in and not cutting, but just cleaning it up. So what I'm doing is pulling the hair straight forward in front of my face, and then I'm doing the same thing. I'm kind of point cutting to clean up the layers again. And I just do this for the same 3 sections. I section the hair off, and then I'm going to pull the hair all the way forward in front of my face. And once I pull it forward in front of my face, I'm going to point cut again just to make sure that the hair is even all across. This is a gist of what the hair should look like, kind of in a straight line a little bit. So I finished cutting all the sections. The last thing I'm going to do is cut the bang area. So what I did is section out the front part of my hair again, and then now I'm cutting at an angle just so it can leave a gradient layer cut in the front. And I do this all the way till I get down to the bottom. And to give you an idea on where to start, I kind of start at where my mouth is, and then I angle cut all the way till I get down. I do this for both sides as well. Now for my favorite part, I'm going to be using these Velcro rollers, and I'm going to use this curling iron that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to be curling the hair in an upward motion. And after I curl the hair in an upward motion, I'm going to be using those Velcro rollers just to let the hair cool off and so they can give a blowout look. And I'm not the best at explaining how I use a curling iron to curl my hair, but I am curling towards my face, as y'all can see. And I'm using I guess it's called a tongue. I'm using the tongue thing. And when I twist it, I'm kind of clamping it up a little bit. I hope I'm making sense. I'm kind of clamping it up a little bit as I twist the hair. And I do this all the way till I get to the top and then let it go and hold it in my hand. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the Velcro rollers. I'm going to be putting it in by placing it at the top of the hair, and then I'm going to comb it all the way down till I get to the bottom. And once it reaches the bottom, I'm going to leave out the bottom piece and curl it over myself, just so the hair will not fall out and we have to start all over. So once I curl the bottom piece in myself, I'm going to gently start curling it up. And I pinch the hair together just so no hair would blow off of the roller. But once you start slowly rolling it up, you're going to go in with a clamp, and you're just going to clamp the back section and the front section as well. And this is going to keep it in place. And I'm just going to do this for the rest of the head, but I think I put 3. I usually put 3 at the back and 3 or 4 in the middle, and I think 4 at the top if I'm not mistaken. But 3 to 4 at the back for sure. But I am still curling it upward towards my face for each and every one of the curls until we get to the front where we have to curl our bangs. Now that we got to the crown area, I'm going to be combing all the hair up, and then I'm going to actually split the crown part in 2 sections because I'm going to be placing 4 curls up there. So what I'm going to do is clamp off the first piece to the side because I'm about to curl this part, and Wait, I think I actually curled it into one because I was being lazy. Don't be like me, be better than me. But I'm curling it away from the face this time, not towards the face. And I'm curling it in an upward motion because this is going to give the hair a little bit more volume. Because we're still trying to give a blowout look. Then for the last piece that we're curling, we're going to actually curl it towards our face this time and not away from the face. And once I'm done, I usually let my hair cool down for 20 to 30 minutes before I take them down. And so what I'm doing is just taking out all of the clips first, and then I go back in and take out all of the rollers. And to take out the Velcro rollers, all I do is do it in a twisting motion until it starts to spiral out. And here I am showing you guys how I'm doing it a second time. And once I'm done, I love to shake my hair out. And I do this a couple times. And I do this just so the hair can lay the way that it wants to lay. And I can really see the curls. Like, that is so pretty. Like, get into it. And once I'm done doing that, I just kind of like play around with it. And like just comb the bang or just comb the hair the way that I want to. Afterwards, after I get done shaking it out. And I was just trying to see how it would look with the no flip, the no part look. So I did a flip over method, and it was honestly so cutesy. But this is me also just showing y'all how it would look in the middle part. And y'all, please don't look at my lace for real. I didn't glue it down. I just used some adhesive spray, and that's all I did. So please just ignore that. Just worry about the layers. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what other type of videos and tutorials you guys would like me to do. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you. Bye.